Hey guys, hope you're all having a good day today. This is another video brought to you by Basement Billiards coming out of Cleveland, Ohio. This drill is pretty easy, but it's pretty effective as well. It really helps you get precise on your rail shots. So what you want to do for this drill is put one ball on the center diamond of each rail, and then start off with the cue ball on the first diamond of any of the side rails. And try to make all the balls. You want to finish on the 8 ball, and your cue ball or the object ball is not allowed to hit any of the other balls, so you can't make any combos or anything like that. And you can just go around the table making the balls, finishing on 8. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps your game in some way. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe and share my video. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks.